Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing so well. Hope life's treating you okay, and I hope you're all as happy as possible. Today's video is very exciting. It marks the beginning of a journey that Tim and I are going to go on over the next month. So we have decided that for the next month we are going to go vegan within our diet. So we are going to be following a vegan diet for the next month. It's kind of an experiment. If you guys have watched me for a while, you will know that in my home we probably eat about 90% vegetarian and about 80% vegan anyway. We don't have a huge amount of meat or animal products in our diet most of the time, but that has been kind of a slow transition over the past year or so that we've been trying to reduce our meat and animal product intake in our home. If you watched my vlog of when we went to York, you will have seen we ate quite a bit of meat, and honestly it got to the point where I didn't really even enjoy it. I kind of want to get to the stage where if I'm gonna eat meat, I want it to be a restaurant where it's been really well prepared, almost like a treat. And within my home I would like to start trying to follow definitely a more vegetarian, but if not vegan diet. So we thought that we would challenge ourselves to go a whole month eating vegan. So I thought to kickstart this challenge, I will be documenting it. I think I'm going to be filming like some what I eat in a week's like vegan edition, maybe recreating some of my favorite recipes but vegan, trying that out, seeing if they're as good. I think it's going to be quite fun to document. And oh, incoming Tim. Anyway, so I thought I would do a food haul today to kickstart the journey and stock up my fridge, stock up my larder, my pantry, so that we've got loads of delicious, nutritious, mostly whole foods. Yeah, I just thought it would be fun, and I'm gonna do kind of like a roundup in a month's time and let you guys know how we get on. Today is Monday the 5th of October. The official vegan month starts tomorrow on Tuesday, and I'm super excited. I don't know when this video is going to go live. It might be like you might have a slight delay. Let's get cracking with this food haul. Down you come. Okay, let's start with things that are going to be in my larder. So I got some Hovis wholemeal bread, as well as a sourdough bloomer that Tim's already tucked into, wholemeal wraps. So obviously protein is quite important to me because of the gym. So I need to find ways to get as much protein into my diet as possible, which I know is very doable on a vegan diet. Like you can have a high protein diet whilst being vegan, but these are some sources that I'm gonna use. Obviously nuts and seeds. So I've got walnuts, I've got some sesame seeds, some ground almonds, raisins obviously for my granola, cashew nuts, love. So these are the nuts and seeds. And then obviously a staple in my diet anyway, chickpeas. I've got some reduced fat coconut milk, some black beans. I eat so much sweet corn, so I got some sweet corn, and then chopped tomatoes, another staple obviously. And then I also picked up some tamari, which is kind of like soy sauce. These are all of the pantry slash larder things I picked up. Next we're gonna go into like substitutes. So I got 2 blocks of tofu. We use quite a lot of tofu anyway. I want to try and make a vegan carbonara, and when Tim and I make carbonara we put chorizo in it. So I got this vegan chorizo. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes. We got some bacon to go into the carbonara, as well as for breakfasts and things like that. If we wanted to make pancakes, we could have bacon with it. We basically just wanted to try some different vegan alternatives. We probably wouldn't buy all these every week, but you know, just while we're testing things out. We got some Richmond vegan sausages, vegan cheddar, and I also, if we're feeling lazy, got some kind of pre-marinated tofu that we can just chuck into salads and things like that. You guys know that my weakness is Greek yogurt. I eat it with everything. I eat it every single day, and so I think that will be my biggest struggle to cut. So I've got 2 different vegan Greek yogurts here to try. I got the Oatly Oatgut Greek style yogurt, as well as the Outpro one, which I actually just tried. It's definitely not Greek yogurt, but It might just be a case of getting used to it. And also soy milk, of course, but that soy milk and oat milk are our milk of choice anyway. We always drink oat and soy. These are the kind of dairy meat alternatives that I got. Let's put these away. Oh, and I got, of course, some hummus. Always have hummus. Oh wow, onto veg. How do I even do this? So I got 3 white onions. I accidentally bought 3 sets of 3 red onions, and I meant to just buy 3 individual onions because I did it online, so I messed up, but I'll use them. 2 aubergines, love aubergine. I got a red pepper, and I got 2 avocados, a big cucumber, because I eat cucumber every day, a big clove of garlic, and 4 sweet potatoes. I got mushrooms, 2 big heads of brock. I got sprouts, green beans, asparagus, celery, vine tomatoes, big old cauliflower, a big bag of potatoes, 5 courgettes, and 5 carrots. Watercress, spinach, and rocket. I got some curly kale and some romaine hearts. Okay, we are on to my favourite section, which is obviously fruit. Got a big bag of bananas. I got 3 oranges, a lemon, punnet of green grapes or white grapes, punnet of blueberries, some apples for stewing. We're on the final bag. So we got some vegan chocolate, okay? Because I'm gonna wanna continue my vegan baking, right? So I got vegan milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate, as well as Galaxy Smooth Orange vegan chocolate. And then a little packet, I thought this was bigger, of chocolate buttons for baking. That's the chocolate haul. And then sauces and things like that. I got a vegan pesto because I forget the pesto's not vegan. It's got Parmesan cheese in it, so this one is. I got some Dijon mustard to make vegan carbonara. I got some tahini to make my own hummus or make sauces and things like that. And then I also got, I love this stuff, the Outpro custard, so that when I make desserts and stuff, rather than using cream or yogurt, which I would usually use, I'm gonna use a little bit of that. So there we go. Those are all of the bits that I've picked up for, this will probably last us a week or 2. I often get asked how I keep my fresh fruit and veg fresh and how I don't have any wastage at the end of the week. I'm a huge fan of bulk cooking, batch cooking, meal prepping. I tend to cook them within a few days of getting all the veggies in various different dishes, and then I freeze it, and that will probably keep us going for another week. That's how I don't have waste. I cook everything while it's still fresh and then I freeze it. So there we go. That is my weekly food shop, or kind of 2-week food shop, which will kick off mine and Tim's vegan journey for the next month. I just want to clarify, this isn't me saying that I'm going vegan 100%. I'm definitely going to be limiting my meat and dairy intake in general anyway, but I just think a month out of a year going completely vegan is a good step in the right direction. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to maybe do this along with me, because I will be documenting it throughout the time, so I'll be keeping you guys updated, then let me know if you're going to do this with me. I'd love if we could all chat about it. We're also going to see how it affects my training, how it affects my energy levels. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!